Y'all had one job. Like, I only came here for that one thing. That's what y'all sell. And y'all didn't have it. So I was a little confused. I know that I'm not looking like my usual simply slayed self, but y'all might as well get used to me in all my forms, because this channel's not going anywhere and we're gonna be rocking together for a while. So you might as well get used to my natural hair. Yes, I wear glasses and contacts, yeah, all that. So yeah, I'm looking real rough right now, but it's whatever. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ronnie, and here we learn how to keep it simply slayed. But today I figured I would bring you something a little bit different. Since we all been in a house, I felt the need to go shopping. So in this video, I'm bringing you sort of a Marshalls haul, but it really turned into like a Marshalls, Home Goods, Fashion Nova, some other stuff type haul. But everything is for the low. Most of the stuff I have here is from clearance. I have some home products, I have some clothing, I have some stuff for work, because we're getting ready to go back to school. So if you're interested in seeing this video, then make sure you keep watching. But before I go, I want to thank all those who have already subscribed to my channel. Though I don't have a lot of subscribers yet, it does mean a lot to me for me to have reached my first goal of 100 subscribers. So thank you guys so much. And if you like this video and you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because I'm going to be bringing you some different stuff moving forward. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So I tried to organize this in some type of order, but yeah, I got too many different types of items, so we're just gonna grab and go. I bought this like thermoplaning type situation, because it's helped me shave my little peach fuzz off my face, because your girl is like 50% age. But yeah, this was like maybe 12 bucks, and we're gonna try it out and see what it's like. Okay, I got that, and I got me some beauty sponges. We all know what this is for, to keep it simply slayed. But yeah, these were how much? Like $5 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sponges. I got me some shades. Those gonna be cute. So I went ahead and purchased me some washcloths, because I'm an adult now and apparently we have to buy stuff like this. So yeah, got me some little sock thingies for like when I'm wearing sneakers and I don't want my socks to show. I mean, I guess I could have ankle socks, but whatever. I got me a little dog mom hat, because if I didn't tell you guys, I got my puppy. I'll show you guys him really soon. Hopefully he stays good throughout this video, because he be acting a little crazy sometimes. Got me a little black belt here, and this belt was $7.99, but I did get 20% off on most of this stuff. These little shoes, I actually have the Steve Madden ones like this, but they don't have like a back on them, so I can't wear them to work. So I got the same ones but with a back, so that I could actually wear them to work. So I needed like a little just black purse to just, you know, carry. So I got this little purse here. It's actually a Steve Madden bag, but that's cool because I'm ballin'. If you know me, I have a thing for backpacks. If you don't know me, hi, my name is Rhonda, and I have a problem with backpacks. Okay, backpack. But this is cute. I did not have one this color, so yeah, very spacious on the inside. Got another pocket there. But yeah, that's the backpack. She cute. I thought this color was super cute, so I went ahead and got it. It's very plain. There's no like name on it, and it does have like a strap so that I can attach. And it also came with a little wallet. So I went ahead and got these. I mean, they're just regular wine glasses, but they got like a little tint of pink in them, so that's why I got them. If you see my apartment tour, then you know my living room is like pink, gray, and gold, so I figured this would look cute on my little bar cart in the living room. Yeah, And it's only 4 in there, so all I need. I don't be throwing like big parties or anything. I mean, not yet. Your girl's gonna need more hangers. I guess we could jump into like the clothes now. Okay, so I bought some workout stuff because I also coach and we're supposed to be conditioning soon. Which, to be honest, I don't know why, because I feel like we ain't gonna have no season. But let me not be negative and just prepare for whatever. 2-pack of sports bras. It's a gray one and a pink one. It's $12.99 from Marshalls. Or like some racerback tank tops to just throw on when I'm out there conditioning. And then I also got a little zip-up jacket. I just liked it, to be honest. Hi, my name is Rhonda. I also have a thing for jackets. Yeah. Okay, and for like the regular clothes, I bought me like this little white v-neck because, I mean, can you have enough of those? No. Got these little black joggers, like dress joggers. You could dress these up, put them on with some heels, or you can be chill with some little sandals. Those are the bottoms. So I'm probably going to try on some of this stuff for you guys and show you, because honestly I haven't seen it on myself yet because of the virus. You can't use the dressing room, so I don't even know if some of this stuff fit, but we gonna find out together. And none of this is really like an outfit, but I'm gonna make it work for the sake of this. Here's a little pink blazer. Y'all should already know why I bought this. It's pink, dude. But yeah, it was on clearance. It was 20 bucks. So it was really like 16 bucks with my 20% off. Okay. Got me another little work shirt because at some point I'm gonna go back to work. At some point. Hopefully soon. I miss my babies. But yeah, this shirt was $9 before the discount at Marshalls. Cute little shirt. This shirt was also $9. Cute. Then I saw this, a little like jumper. Yeah, I figured this was just something cute to have for like, you know, if the world open backs up and, you know, I want to go to like brunch or something. Here is another little jumper pants situation. This one is a wide leg pants. Again, for if I was like going to like a little brunch, a little cookout or something cute to throw on. Then I got this little dressy dress, not dressy dress, but like, you know, a dress, casual dress, something you just throw on. You could wear this with sneakers, you could wear it with sandals. I mean, you could dress it up and throw on some heels. I mean, I miss my heels. They probably think I invented them. And I got this little just tube top long maxi dress situation. Is this considered maxi? I don't even know. What's considered maxi, y'all? But yeah, this is something again to just throw on to, like, you know, be cute but not be going anywhere. So then I went into like this little store by my house. It's like a little, you know, like the little cheap girl store. I really went in there to get like the little biker shorts and stuff so that I can just have to throw on. But I found this little cute little halter top. Yeah, this is like $5, so it's real cute, just simple. And then I got me some white high-waisted pants, a blue shirt to just throw on with like my biker shorts. And funny thing, I went to the little Ratchet Girl store. Okay, let me not call it the Ratchet Girl store. I went into the cheap affordable store to find biker shorts and stuff, and there was none. I don't know if it's because, you know, everybody was just buying them or what, but y'all had one job. Like, I only came in there for that one thing. That's what y'all sell, and y'all didn't have any. So I was a little confused, but it's okay because I guess I still bought some stuff. But yeah, I need some biker shorts. But But anyhow, so since that plan failed, I had to go on to Fashion Nova. Found these. They're not the ones I thought they were when I ordered them, but again, I guess it's fine. Yeah, this looks more like those body shaper pants. But yeah, we're gonna see what they look like when I put them on. I bought like this little bralettes because I have like some tube top situations. And then also from Fashion Nova, since we on there, I got me some little cheap jewelry because again, I'm a broke educator. Send help. It has some little bust down Cuban links. Okay, yeah, no, these are not really bust down. They're like, yeah, don't even look at my nails. Don't do it. I just broke that today. And I need to fill it. But I'm gonna get it done. We got the bust down Cuban links. Okay. I just learned what bust down meant. So, I know this ain't really bust down. They had it in gold and they also had it in silver. So, yeah, I got both colors and it came with 2 in the back. I got me another little bracelet. Real cute. Got a cross on it. I got this other cross bracelet and this one just slips on like this. And then you pull the strings. And there you have it. Got this other little silver bracelet. I feel like it would be better if I showed you this stuff with like the outfits. But yeah, it's just a little fake diamond studded bracelet and you just scrunch it on like that and voila! Bam! Got me a little queen chain because I'm the queen. Period. Got this little diamond necklace. Another R, like the one I'm wearing, but it's a little different. So yeah, and guys, most of this jewelry was like $3 to $5, so whatever. It might turn my neck green, but it's cool. It's cool. And then I got this other little cross necklace. Yeah. And then I got me some bling bling. Bling bling. Ice me out. Ice me out. Okay. Clearly I need to go to sleep. This last thing I bought is for my home classroom. I don't know when they're gonna tell us if we're going back to work or not. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just prepare for having to teach from home. Not seeing my babies ever again. We might not find out until like September 7th. Like, you know, the first day of school where we're gonna be working from. In my district. So I just went ahead and just purchased this. Y'all pray for us, teachers. Pray for us. It's like a dry erase whiteboard and it's like marble. Heavy duty. Is pretty big. I don't know where I'm going to be setting my classroom up at from home, but this is the dry erase board that I bought, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to be getting a bunch of other stuff to set up my at-home classroom. And when I do that, of course I'm going to show y'all the video. But yeah, this is the last thing I bought, and this was $30 again before the 20% coupon, so it was really like $24. Was that right? 30. Yes, $24. So now I'm going to go put on a few of those outfits, not all of them, just to, you know, try them on because I had to try them on myself, and to give you guys an idea of what it looks like. This is something chill. I don't want to just like run to the store, run some errands. It's something simple while I throw on some jewelry too. Check me out. But yeah, I mean, you could dress this up, put some heels on, I mean, if I was really gonna wear this blazer with these pants, I probably wouldn't wear this top. But whatever, I needed to put the top on for the sake of the video. But if you want to be chill, you don't need no blazer. You could throw on some kicks. You can keep on some sandals. Yeah, these are the pants. I can't see y'all, but y'all can see me. It's gonna look real cute with some little heels on. But here's the dress. A little cute little dress. The backpack. You know, you could, you know, one shoulder it. But yeah, you could throw on some Air Force Ones. You could throw on some cute little sneakers with this, some sandals. Dress it up, dress it down. It got pockets. Win-win. Yeah. This is cute. Again, something chill. Yeah, this fit. I definitely need to like get this area together. This is another little jumper. It's super cute for like brunch or something. This back. Pants flared out. The bottoms. Yeah. Okay guys, so he did good for most of the video, but he started missing his mommy. But me, Milo, say hi, Milo. Say hi. He's like a little camera shy, but this is my baby. I'm going to be doing a whole little video on Milo and what it's like to be a fur mom for the first time, and some of his essentials that I bought him, and some of the things that I learned so far about having a puppy. But this is a baby. No, get off my fingers. But yeah, this is my baby. My baby. But if you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below which outfit you thought was the cutest. If you have some ideas for where I could set up my classroom, go back and watch my apartment tour. But thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time. Say bye bye. Bye bye. Milo says bye.